If you post a YouTube video and you want to post the YouTube video automatically to your Discord server, this tutorial River will guide you how to automatically post YouTube videos to Discord server using Webhooks. So first of all, open the server and we need to create a new text channel. Once you created a text channel, it's time to create a webhooks. So click on the server name and go to server settings. Click on integrations, create webhook, and give the webhook name. Click on channel and select the channel you just created for your YouTube videos. Save changes and then open this website ifttt.com and click on start today. And now you have to create a free account here. So you can use your Apple ID, Facebook account or Google account to create a free account here. Once you created your account, here click on create and click on if this. Click on this search box and type here YouTube and click on YouTube and choose a trigger. So I'm selecting here new video by channel. So every time I publish a video on my channel, the video will be automatically posted to my Discord. So I'm going to selecting this one. Here you have to select your YouTube account and now enter here your YouTube channel ID like this one. So enter here your channel ID. Don't use your channel username. Give your channel ID and click on create trigger. Now click on then that and search here webhooks and you will get the webhooks option here. So click on that. Click on make a web request and here you have to put your webhook URL. So go back to your Discord server and copy the webhook URL and paste it here. Method select post, content type application JSON, and you can write a body here and click on create action. Click on continue. So right now I have reached my upload limit. So if you're a new user, you will get here continue option. So you have to click on continue and your YouTube account and your Discord will be connected using the webhooks. And after that, whenever you post a video on your YouTube channel, the video will be automatically posted on your Discord. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.